In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find CD key on Steam. Before we jump in, a quick note on what a CD key is and why you might look for it. A CD key, sometimes called a product code, is a string of characters used by some games to confirm that you own them. It's most commonly needed for older titles or for games that activate on a third-party service. Many modern games, especially those published by Valve and other major studios, no longer use visible keys. Instead, they rely on automatic digital activation, often referred to as OAuth, so you may never see a key at all. With that in mind, here is how to check if your game provides one. Start by opening the Steam app on your computer and navigating to your library. Your library is where all your games live. And this is the only place you'll find the option we need. Give Steam a moment to load your list, especially if you have a large collection. Next, locate the game you are curious about in the left-hand list. Right-click the game's title to bring up the context menu. This menu is packed with useful tools for managing your game, and it's the quickest way to get to the setting we're after. From that menu, hover over or select Manage. This opens a small submenu dedicated to game-specific options. You are in the right place if you see items related to browsing local files, uninstalling, or other maintenance tasks. Now click on CD keys. If the game provides a key, a window will appear showing it to you. This is where Steam displays any product codes tied to that title. Some games may list more than one code, depending on their content or expansions. If you see a key, that means the publisher requires or supports manual activation outside of Steam for that particular game. If you don't see a CD keys option at all, don't worry. That usually means the game does not require a manual key and uses automatic digital activation behind the scenes. As mentioned, this is increasingly common for modern titles and is especially typical for Valve games. In other words, the absence of the option is expected behavior and not an error. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.